Now, if you've been watching this channel for a while, you know that I have a couple of weaknesses. One of them is garlic, another one is chocolate, and another one is cinnamon. Today, I'm going to reveal to you another one of my weaknesses, and I'm going to show you how to make this amazing treat. Today on Jay's World Kitchen, I'm going to show you how to make ice cream at home. And it's really, really simple. There's no specialized equipment, and there really are only 5 ingredients. And of course, the nice thing about this is that you can make this into absolutely any kind of ice cream that you want. So you're going to start off in quite a large bowl with 2 cups of whipping cream. So that's a very heavy cream, at least 33% if you can find it. If you can get 36, it's even better. And we're simply going to beat that just with an electric mixer for about 2 to 3 minutes. What we want is we want to start getting some air into that. Now, after about 2 minutes, you can see there's quite a lot of air in there, and it's sort of bulked up in size. And now we're going to add in 1 tin of sweetened condensed milk. And now we're going to beat that for another minute. Now, of course, if you have a standard mixer with a whisk attachment, you can obviously do this in that as well. But now comes the fun part. At this point, we're going to start adding some flavorings. Now, the first thing that I always add is 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And it doesn't matter whether you're doing what I'm about to do or if you're doing chocolate or anything like that. The vanilla is really important because it does help to boost that flavor. So it really is helpful. So always add your 1 teaspoon of vanilla. And we're going to add just a little pinch of salt. Now, my flavoring today is cinnamon, because I really like cinnamon, and I found that this cinnamon with this nice rich creamy ice cream gives you a really nice flavor, especially on a nice hot summer day, and actually is quite refreshing. And I'm just using 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Now, if you wanted to make a chocolate ice cream, of course, you could add in 2 to 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder at this stage and continue to beat it. If you're enjoying this video, please remember to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and remember to turn on notifications so that you know when my next video drops. Let's give this a mix. Now, I've beaten this until it's really quite thick, and all I'm going to do now is I'm going to transfer it into a jar. Now, you can obviously use any kind of ice cream container to put this into the freezer. I'm just using one of these. I kind of like these because they have a lid that goes on it, and it's perfect to keep in my freezer. And we're simply going to pour that in. Now, if you have small molds and you want to do popsicles for the kids, you can absolutely do that with this as well. It works really, really well. And honestly, that's it. Now we're going to pop that into the freezer for at least 5 hours, if not longer. But of course, you can store this for up to a month in the freezer. But you just want to take it out and let it thaw just a little bit before you serve it. Pop that into your freezer and you're good to go. Always having ice cream on hand. After about 5 hours, this is going to be the perfect ice cream consistency. I did leave mine out for just a few minutes just to sort of soften up just a little bit before I dish it up into a bowl. But of course, you can put this into ice cream cones, or if, like I said, if you're putting them into molds, kids will absolutely love them as well. I'm dying to give this a taste. I cannot begin to tell you how much I love that flavor. What I really like about this, I know what's going into it, and it's rich and it's creamy, and I really like that cinnamon in there because it's not overpowering. It is just so perfect. you've got to try this. And if you do, I would love to hear from you in the comment section below how this turned out for you, or how you made your own variety of ice cream to have at home and have on hand. I make this quite frequently, and I'm telling you, it has got to be one of my favorite treats. If you'd like to follow me on my social media, you can find all of these links down below in the comment section as well. And if you'd like to financially support this channel like these folks here do, please click on the Patreon link down below in the comment section. Now, if you'd like to see some more of my dessert recipes, you can click on this playlist right here. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy eating.